Hello students of standard 2nd. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home. Let's begin an online session of English. J Mall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Myself Renuka Seshewar, your English teacher. As you have seen, our today's topic is lesson number 6. A spark in the dark. A spark in the dark. This is part 1. This chapter is taken from your English reader, chapter number 6. So, let's start the lesson. Yes. Before to start the lesson, let's see some words which are based on AR sound words. So, in this lesson, we will learn AR sound words. Let's see which are they. AR, L A R K, lark. P, A R K, park. D, A R K, dark. B, A R K, bark. M, A R K, mark. S, A R K, shark. S, P, A R K, spur. A R K, spark. P, A R T, part. A R T, cart. A R T, dart. A R T, chart. Chart. A R T, start. Stir. Stir. Start. SMART, smart. ARM, arm. FARM, farm. Like this. So these are AR sound words. So let's start the lesson. This is a lesson about a girl whose name Sarika. Whose name was Sarika. Far away near the park there is a big house. See in that picture? Near the park there is a big house. A smart girl lives in that house. And her name is Sarika. What's her name? Her name is Sarika. One night, Sarika is alone in the house. It is very dark. There is not even one star in the sky. Sarika is sitting in the park. Her mom and dad have gone to a party. She was all alone in the house. Nobody is there with her. Suddenly, she hears a shh in the dark. Hish. This is a sound made by a snake. Right? She hears a hiss in the dark. It is a big black snake with a mark on its head. A big black snake with a mark on its head. Sarika starts calling for help. She was calling for help. Somebody help me. Some men passing that way stopped the car and killed the snake. The dead snake is left in the dark park. After some time, an owl is flying by. It has a gem in its beak. After some time, an owl is flying by. It has a gem in its beak. It sees the snake. The owl drops the gem and takes the snake in its beak and flies away. Sarika sees a spark in the dark. Sarika sees a spark in the dark. She goes near the spark. She goes near the spark. She finds the gem. She picks it up. It has a spark. That gem has a spark. So, what will happen? We will see in our next part. So, enough for today. I hope you have understand. Now, let's see what is the next. Yes, this is your assignment time. Okay, see this picture and write the name under it. These all picture are having AR sound words. So what you will do? You will draw these pictures in your notebook, or you can write only name also. So as per your choice, see the picture and write the name under it, and those words should be AR sound words. Okay, whatever you will write the name of this picture, those words should have AR sound words. Okay, we will see you in our next lesson, in next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.